How to add shipping costs on Shopify. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we'll be adding shipping costs on our Shopify product. So it's very simple and easy. All you have to do is click on settings on the bottom left. Then you're going to go into your shipping and delivery section. Now in your shipping and delivery section, you will be able to see all the different shipping and delivery, packages you offer. So you can click on add package, and this can be like a standard package that you offer. Let's say if a person orders one item, you will always give it a soft package or a satchel, and then you can enter the package name, 2 item box, and let's say the length and width is going to be. And then you can enter the weight as well. So let's say this is going to be the weight. You can click on add package. And people can use this package to, get their item shipped if they are only ordering 2 items. Now, a simpler way is to go into your shipping section and you can add custom shipping rates. Now, you have general shipping rates, which you can click on manage over here. And you have all products. So you can charge differently for different products as well. For that, you can click on shipping settings and you can click on create new profile, and you can add these specific product names. So you can add fragile products or heavy products and add more shipping rates for those, but I don't have any of those. I have basic products, so I can click on manage over here, and below that I have the shipping zone. So where am I going to offer shipping? Now I have my show details. So these are the locations that I'm offering shippings, and you can click on create zone over here. Let's say I offer shipping in Pakistan, like so, or I'm just going to manage this like so. So our current shipping zone is Pakistan, and then I can click on add rate, and you can set up your own rates or use a carrier or app to calculate your rates. So it's going to be standard shipping and it's going to be 300, and then we can click on add conditions. So based on item weight, based on per order price. So let's say the minimum order price needs to be 100, and that is it. So I'm just going to click on done. This is going to be our standard rate, and then I can select it for international markets as well. So below that I can add rates for international markets, and then once you do that, you can click on start shipping to more places. You can go into go to markets, and you can add more markets to your Shopify store. I hope you found this helpful, and I will catch you in the next video.